Hello engineers, my name is Engineer Angel Verdugo. My research is network. Definition: a computer network, also called computer network data communication network or computer network, is a set of hardware and software connected to each other by means of physical devices that send and receive electrical signals, electromagnetic waves, or other means to data transport in order to share information, resources, and provide services. As in any process of communication requires a sender, a message, a medium, and a receiver. The main purpose for the creation of the computer network is to share resources and information in the distance, ensure reliability and availability of information, increase the speed of data transmission, and reduce the overall cost of this action. An example is the Internet, which is a large network of millions of computers located in different parts of the world, basically interconnected to share information and resources. The structure and mode of operation of existing computer networks are defined in various standards, and the most important being extended as the TCP/IP Transfer Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, based on the OSI or Open System Interconnection. The reference model. The latter, each network structured into 7 layers with specific functions, which related in TCP/IP layers are reduced to 4. There are many scattered around each layer protocols, which are also governed by their respective standards. The TCP/IP layers: application, transport, internet, physical. The OSI model: layers, application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and physical. Background: the first indication of communication networks was telephonic and telegraphic technology. In 1994, data were transmitted from Dartmouth University, New Hampshire, New York, in the late 1960s, and in the subsequent 70s were created mini-computers. In 1976, Apple introduced the Apple I, an early personal computer. In 1981, IBM introduced its first PC. Midway through the 1980s, started using the PC modems to share files with other computers in the range of speeds that began in 1200 and reached bits per second to 56 bytes per second, point-to-point or dial-up, when they started to be replaced by higher speed systems, especially ADSL or asymmetric digital subscriber line. A network is made up of hardware, software, and protocols. The physical elements are classified into 2 groups: a user device, host, and network device. The end user device including computers, printers, scanners, and other elements that provide services directly to the user, and the second are tools that connect to end user device, allowing intercommunication. In application technology, the purpose of the network is the ability to interconnect the hardware components of a network and therefore individual computers, also called hosts, the teams that make services on the network servers using wired or wireless technology supported by the electronic network and connected by cabling or radio frequency. Where the car main network can be considered whether part of the computer, a switch, a printer, etc. And be the technology Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. Where it takes pride in the using technology and telecommunication in general. Advantage: share files and computer resources such as storage, printers, etc. Share internet and communication between computers. They allow you to work in groups and collaboratively. It's very cheap to create a computer network in one building. Software update, email and message delivery. Expanded use with dumb terminals, backing of data. Disadvantage: the installation can be costly if the computers are far apart from each other physically, hundreds of kilometers. Although this is becoming cheaper to make, even internet solved many of these problems. It is still a bit difficult to create the network, at least for the most experienced users. The privacy of information is relative to the use that is given can be vulnerable to computer attacks. High-cost UTP cable if it will be used in the network and go from the switch server routers to the node where this applied in Ecuador. Using network are in the other place and companies that manage information, whether these companies or even commercial, educational and individuals, different systems as accounting, tax, database and telecommunication are the main reason for keeping this. The network focus and the general advantage: the power to manage information in several places in a short time for a company, where a business can be nationally and internationally. Using a grid system, make this communicate and can work with area of business you are engaged with, share resources and information and will always be available to users who need them. Thanks for your attention.